So guys, today I'll be showing you how to install Ambari on a system. Before going with installing Ambari, I would like to discuss about Ambari. So Ambari, it has a web UI or let's say an interface which helps in installing, configuring and managing the Hadoop cluster, namely HDP, that is Hortonworks distribution of Hadoop. So to install Ambari, we'll have to initially download the ambari.repo file from the Hortonworks website so that Yum repository manager can sync with the services of Ambari. This Ambari.repo file can either be used to sync from the internet or we can use it to sync from a local repository, which is explained in another tutorial of creating local Ambari repository. After downloading it, we'll install the Ambari server using Yum, the Yum install Ambari server. After the installation is over, we'll initialize the Ambari server service by setting up the variables. And after this initialization is over, we'll start the Ambari service so that we can view the web UI of the Ambari. Before continuing with installing Ambari, there are three prerequisites which we have to complete so that we don't face a problem. This will be by initially disabling IP tables and SE Linux. We need the server's FDQ and configure, that is hostname -f should be able to resolve. Working internet connection obviously is necessary, and you can have a local Yum repository for Ambari and CentOS. It's not necessary, but for faster installation and faster services you can use it. You can view all these prerequisites by visiting the link on each of them on a previous tutorials. So to start with, I'll show you by showing how the prerequisites have been configured. You can see that hostname -f SE status, hostname -f is able to resolve the hostname, SE Linux is disabled, IP table is also not running, and there's entry of each and every host node in each and every host file. As you can see on all the three systems that this thing has been done and taken care of. So I'll go to the local repository of my Ambari and I'll download the ambari.repo file using wget. Along with that, I'll download the local CentOS6.repo, that is to sync my repository from of local CentOS6, and hdp.repo to sync HDP from my local repository. As you can see, I have all the repo files and they have the base URL is from my repos.admin.com, that is the local repository server. Once the .repo files have been downloaded, I'll create a back directory in yum.repos.d folder and I'll move all the repository .repo files from yum.repos.d to the back folder. Once it is over, I'll move the current .repo files, that is Ambari, HDP and local CentOS6 to yum.repos.d, so my Yum can sync from my local repository. I'll perform Yum clean and as you can see, all the repositories have been listed. To install Ambari server, I'll use the command yum install Ambari server. It syncs with my local repository and the installation is over. As you can see, it's very fast installing because it's installing from my local repository. So to initialize my Ambari server, I'll use the Ambari server setup command. I'll use the default choices given by Ambari server but just by pressing enter. As you can see, it initially downloads Java and the database configurations are done automatically as I'm using the default options. After the setup is over, I'll use Ambari server start to start the Ambari server. Once the Ambari server has started, I'll go to the web UI of my Ambari server, that is by going to port 8080 and my host name. As you can see, the Ambari web UI has loaded. The default username and password is admin. To log in into the web UI of the Ambari server, as you can see, the web UI of Ambari is loaded and we can launch the installation of Hadoop cluster.